How to send messages with invisible ink special effect on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to Messages app. Once you're inside, head over to the inbox of the person that you want to send the invisible ink text. Once you're inside the inbox of the specific person, at the bottom, you need to click on Type Message bar. Type in the message that you want to send with invisible effect. Once you have entered the text, now tap and hold this icon. Different options will pop up on your screen. You can also see invisible ink. Click on it. And then click on the send icon. There you go. The invisible ink effect has been enabled and sent to this person. Now this person has to tap on it in order for them to see the message. So this is simply how you can send invisible ink special effect on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.